Hi friends, welcome to Sunrise channel. In this session I'm going to cover how to use string functions. In string function today we're going to cover left, mid, right and length. Here you can see the where we use the left function, where we use the mid function and where we use right and length. Okay, left function, that is where we want to extract substring from the string from the leftmost characteristic, then we use the left function. And mid function, if you want to extract the middle characteristics of the string, then we are going to use the mid function. Right function we are going to use where we want to extract the substring from the string from the right side of the text. And length, it is a string function which gives you the length of the text string which you are giving it, means the number of characteristics in the particular string. Now I'm going to show you how to apply these particular formulas. This is my order database where I have my order details and my ordering date. So here if you see my ordering date, it's in the text format, in the string format. Though it is a date, it is in a string format. So for the string, I will not be able to apply any formulas of date function. So I'm going to try and do for one function here, month, comma, 0. It will show an error. Why? Because it is in a string format. So we need to convert this into the date format. We can do simply by selecting all and Control F dot find it and replace with slash. But here if you sometimes it will not capture it properly, the dates and all. When if you're doing, sometimes it will show an error. So it is better always not to use in that vertical format. I'm going to show you a small string formula how to convert this kind of text into the date without any errors. So I am going to use a formula called date. In date, first year, month and day will come. So if you see in the string, the year is the last 4 characteristics, month is the middle 2 characteristics and day is the starting 2 characteristics. So here is there from the right side of the string, month is in middle of the string and day is the left side of the string. So here I'm going to apply a formula, right, comma, here I want to get a 4 characteristics there. So number of characteristics is 4. Next I want to get a month which is in the middle of the characteristics. So I'm going to apply formula mid, select this string, comma, here starting character, here my starting character is in a position of 4. So 4 and I want to display only 2 characteristics there, month. And now I have to get the date date. For date is in left side, so left side of the string, selecting the string, and I want only 2 characteristics there. So here I got the date format. If you see in detail here, I have used a date function there, applied right formula to get the right side. From the right side I want to get the last 4 characteristics, so I get the up to 4 characteristics from the right side of the string. Month is in the middle of the string. Here in this string the 0 is starting from 4th character, so I kept 4, starting number is 4. Then I want to display only 2 characteristics there, and my date is in left side of the string, so I want to display only 2 characteristics there, so I entered as 2. And I could be able to convert for all items by dragging out down the formula. Now in the same way, I want to apply length formula here. Here for this formula I want to know number of characteristics in this particular formula. So here I am going to use length. So let the text come here. So it will display 10 digits in this number. There are 10 characteristics in this field, so it's coming as 10. Or else suppose if I have delete 01, it will come as 9. Total 9 characteristics are there. Here I am going to show how to use length in this particular case. Actually, if you see here, it's not in the exact date format, so it should show an error there. So here I am going to use a formula called length, and before length, using the formula of length, I am going to use if condition here. If this equal to if length of the string equal to 10, then this condition should apply, or else it should display error in date format. Here it's showing if any of the string is wrong. If any of the string is wrong, it will show an error. Hope you understand this session. Here we have used length, right, mid, left of string functions, and we use some date function and if conditions, and we have applied it practically for the date function here, and we can use this particular strings at different applications at different way. Thank you for listening to this session. If you like this video, please like it and please share with your friends to share your knowledge, and also please subscribe this channel.